Hello everyone, this is Krishna Veni. This presentation is task of my Spark Foundation internship, and the aim of this task is to do an exploratory data analysis on global terrorism. For this data analysis, I'm using Python. For data analysis and presentation in Python, we need to install Plotly library, and then we need to import Python libraries. As you can see, here, I'm using math, NumPy, Pandas, Seaborn, Matplotlib as libraries. This is my terrorism dataset with 5 rows and 135 columns. And then I've uploaded the dataset of various events that I have collected. So here in the fourth command, it shows the count of null values for each column in the data frame. To make it easy over 135 columns, I have renamed the columns. The columns that I have renamed that are displayed here, as you can see. So in the next command, I have stored some of the columns that I need for insights. The columns that I have chosen are year, month, day, country, state, region, etc. So in the next command, it shows the count of null values in the data frame. As you can see that the state, there are 421 null values reserved. And in the city, there are 434 null values. In latitude, there are 4,556 null values reserved, and so on. Here is a concise summary of the rows and columns of data frame. Here the command prints the country with most attacks. As you can see that the output of this command is here. Country with most attacks is Iraq. City with most attacks is Baghdad. Region with most attacks is Middle East and North Africa. Year with most attacks is 2014. Month with most attacks is the month of May. Group with most attacks is Taliban. Most attacks types are bombing and explosion. So this is what I found using value counts method. This is only the categorical information that I have found. Now to visually represent the data, I'm using library mat.lib and Seaborn. So before visualizing the data, I dropped out all the null values and sort all the years according to the count from 1970 to 2017. So this is the count of number of times the year occurred in the dataset. Now, coming to the visualization of data, in this graph, I have represented attacks over the year. And on x-axis, I have taken year of attack. On y-axis, I have taken number of attacks in each year. According to the data, 2014 is the year where the most attacks happened. So now here I have used SNS bar plot, that is Seaborn. Now here in the next graph, I have visualized the number of terrorist attacks in each year. Here 2014 leads among all, as you can see here. So next, I have regions where terrorist activities occurred. That is, we got to know that Middle East and North Africa region leads. So coming to the next command, here I have added another column with people who are wounded and killed. Togetherly, I have named the column as casualties, as you can see here. So I have sorted to know about the casualties every year in the data set, as you can see. So I have the data count of top 15 countries over here. These top 15 countries include Iraq, Pakistan, Afghanistan, India, Colombia, and etc. As you can see that here I have performed grouping. Here I have performed some sort of grouping of data set, and accordingly I have displayed year, month, and accordingly here I have displayed year, month, day, country, state, region, city, latitude, longitude, and etc. And here I have shown the kill data, which counts around 4,11,868 kills. Based on this data, I would like to show it visually. So I have divided the data as assassination, hostage taking, bombing explosion, hijacking, etc. And finally, the pie chart is here of the above data, which shows attacks. Here I have represented the data of first top 50 countries, kill data, in which Afghanistan tops the most. As you can see here, Afghanistan tops the most in kill data. So coming to the next graph, this next graph represents the next 50 countries. So according to the data, Iraq tops. So using this visualization, we can target which countries have been mostly affected by terrorism effect and what type of effect is active in particular region and how this can be avoided based on this data exploration. Thank you.